completed Guppy, their robot, and are heading to the RoboSub competition. To get more information about this story, we'll ask our field correspondent and secretary, Azure Landers.
Thanks, Rebecca. So, tell us about the robot this year.
Yeah, so this year we were building a new robot from scratch, so the mechanical team has been really hard at work manufacturing and assembling Guppy. This year we've used mills, bandsaws, water jets, CNCs, and 3D printers for the different mechanical parts. We've done courses with the new members on how to use the 3D modeling software, as well as to use the different machines like lathes and mills.
So the robot's hull changed from last year's design a lot, as it would be easier to house our electrical components and have easier visibility.
One thing new that we're implementing this year is mechatronics. Last year we were focused on just getting the robot through the gate, but this year we decided to create a robot that can pick up PVC for the grabber tasks.
Thanks, guys. Now, I'm going to hand it over to the electrical sub-team to see how they're doing.
Howdy y'all, I'm Tran Wynn, the electrical mentor. What are y'all working on?
This year we made a lot of changes. So inside the hull there are some things like loose shelves and then figure out how to pull out the electrical components.
As electrical members, we've also been learning how to make connections that we haven't used during the past AUVs. So for example, we use new waterproof push buttons.
This year, this team has learned a lot of new soldering experiences. We've soldered new wires onto the new switches, and then we also soldered new end caps to the thrusters. This year has definitely been a learning curve for all of us, but we still got a lot more to go.
So we've been designing and soldering PCBs using Altium, so both robot and workshop. Alright guys, thanks for listening to the lecture team. I'm going to hand it over to the programming team.
Tell me, what has programming been up to this year?
Hey Azure. This year we've been focused on integrating and improving our sensors. We added a Doppler velocity log, or DVL. This will improve our global mapping and allow Guppy to remember where tasks are located. We integrate all of our sensors using a robot operating system, ROS, to receive all the data simultaneously and control our thrusters. This year our goal is to complete more tasks other than the gate, so we added a bottom camera. This runs using the same camera model as our main camera, and it allows us to position ourselves over the bins for the dropper task and accurately control the arm to grab the PVC.
Thanks, Alex. Back to you at the studio, Rebecca.
Thanks so much, guys. I'm here with Anna Cruz to talk about our mentors and sponsors for this year.
We are very grateful to be sponsored by Phillips 66, Williams, L3 Harris, Lockheed Martin, and TC Energy this year. Their support allows us to build a great robot and a fantastic team. In addition, our mentors this year has been Sarah and Moore and Shauna Fletcher. They've given us valuable advice about how to run our team and manage financial aspects over the years. Thanks to Sarah and Shauna, we couldn't have done it without you.
Thank you, everyone. This has been Rebecca Bates with Wired AUV.